Hi guys, let us discuss this question which was present in NEET 2023. The question is which of the following statements are incorrect? Here the A, B, C, D, E 5 statement given. So among these 5 statements which are incorrect, so choose the correct option from the option given below, means option 1, 2, 3, 4 which have the statement which is incorrect, that we have to find out. The option This statement A, all the transition metal except scandium form the MO oxide, means metal oxide, which are ionic. Statement B, the highest oxidation number corresponding to the group number in transition metal oxide is attained in discandium trioxide to the dimanganese heptoxide. So from scandium to this manganese, here the highest oxidation number is attained. The basic character increases from B2O3 to B2O4 to B2O5. This B2O4 vanadium divanadium tetroxide dissolves in acid to gives the BO3AO4 3 minus salt. This is the statement D. And statement E, the CRO, the chromium oxide is basic but dichromium trioxide is amphoteric. This is the statement E. Now these all are related to D and A block elements. So now let's discuss each point, and now we'll understand which is the false statement or incorrect statement. First one, all the transition metal except scandium form MO oxides which are iron. This is true. Generally, Sc2O3 formed +3 oxidation state, here scandium should be covalent, but yet shows the significant ionic character. So here scandium as higher oxidation state +3, it should be covalent, but still it shows the significant ionic character. Option B, the highest oxidation number corresponding to the group number in transition metal oxide is attained from scandium Sc2O3 to Mn2O7. This is also true because we have seen here the scandium 2O3, here scandium is +3 oxidation state, so +3, and Mn2O7, here manganese have +7 oxidation state. So that means we moving forward from this oxide to this oxide, their oxidation we are getting highest. The basic character increases from B2O3 to B2O4 to B2O5. This is false. Oxidation state increases means the covalent character increases and decreases the basicity. So that means if we move from this to this to this, means here oxidation number increases. So as oxidation number increases, so covalent character increases. That means if covalent character increases, that decrease the basicity, and that's why this statement is the false. B2O4 dissolves in acid to give BO4 3 minus salts. This is also false because vanadium here, this B2O4 is the +4 oxidation state, and which reacts with acid to form salt of vanadium 4, that is specifically the BO2 plus. So if this reacts with acid, it will generate BO2 plus salt, not BO4 3 minus. So that's why this is false. CRO is basic, but Cr2O3 is amphoteric. This is true because Cr2 plus here CRO oxidation state comparatively low. So that's why it is basic. If oxidation state is low, that is in basic character. Earlier we have discussed here. And Cr2O3, it is chromium 3 plus, so it is not acid, but it is in amphoteric region. It can act as a sometimes acid, it can act as a base. It depends on environments. So correct option among these four is the option C, because C and D are the incorrect option. So thank you guys.